Ever been stuck trying to remember that complicated Wi-Fi password you set ages ago? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to easily find your saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 11. First, locate the network icon in your system tray, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the network icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel where you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks and a Wi-Fi button. Next, select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down the page until you find Advanced Network Settings and click on it. On the Advanced Network Settings page, look for and click on More Network Adapter Options. This will open the classic Network Connections window. In the Network Connections window, you'll see your Wi-Fi adapter listed. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. From the context menu that appears, select Status. This will open the Wi-Fi status window. In this window, click on the Wireless Properties button. In the Wireless Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll see the Network Security Key field to reveal your Wi-Fi password. Simply check the box that says Show Characters and there you have it. Your Wi-Fi password is now visible. Now you can easily share your Wi-Fi password with guests or reconnect your devices to the network. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Windows 11 tips and tricks.